Because in Braja, Krishna is tasting sweet pastimes as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lila Purushottam. And he appeared here to simply relish these sweet mellows. And these sweet exchanges with the Lord in the most intimate settings of love and confidentiality. There's no room for any scent of Aishvarya, power and grandeur with his companions, his gopas and gopis. So this duty of killing demons and lightening the burden of the earth is not Lila Purushottam's duty, but this is Vasudeva Krishna, or this is Vishnu's duty, or Balaram Sankarshan's duty. And Balaram as Sankarshan, he does that work, does that seva. He is a second form of Bhagavan, Krishna, the original personality of Godhead. And Balaram is the root manifestation, or the mool of Sankarshan. Why is he called Sankarshan? Because he unites Yadunam Apritag Bhavat. He unites, he manages to keep the Yadavas united in heart and mind. So he's called Sankarshan.